A shark fin is heading straight for you. Steadily, terrifyingly, the shark is closing in. Even if you don't have galeophobia, which is a fear of sharks, you're certainly scared now. Should you stay still? Should you splash around and throw underwater punches? How do you keep from being bitten? Well, here's how to survive a shark attack according to science. The first set of tips in this video will teach you how to avoid sharks in the first place. And the second set will teach you what to do if you're being attacked. First, stay away. Don't swim in deep water or in harbor entrances because those are sharks' favorite places. Don't swim in the dark either. This isn't just a shark horror movie trope. Sharks hunt at night and, unlike you, they can see in the dark. Second, if you see a shark, stay still. If the shark is not attacking you but simply swimming nearby, don't agitate it by flailing your limbs and making a big splash. Just float, move very slowly, and wait for the shark to swim away. Third, don't pee. Urine attracts sharks. While you may feel lazy and relaxed while floating in the warm ocean water, remember that it's a lot easier to swim back to shore and find a bathroom than it is to lose a leg. Blood attracts sharks as well. There's not enough evidence to know for sure whether menstruating swimmers and divers are more prone to being attacked, but it is widely known that an open wound releases enough blood to excite sharks. So if you're wounded, leave the water. Now, these are good tips for avoiding sharks, but what if one is actively attacking you? Well, then the rules for survival are quite different. You may have to engage with the shark to survive. So fourth, don't play dead. That may sometimes work with bears, but sharks behave quite differently. If you do play dead, be aware that sharks enjoy an easy meal that they don't have to work for. Fifth, fight. Punch and kick the shark as hard as you can and as often as you can. The best places to strike are at the shark's most sensitive body parts, its nose, eyes, and gills. Sharks are known to give up and swim away if they get hit hard enough. A spear gun or knife will add pain to your punch, so use them if you have them. Sixth, leave the water. Even if you've beaten the shark off, it could very easily return. Sharks are known to leave temporarily, only to return to continue their attack. And seventh, get medical help. If you were bitten, stay calm to keep your blood from being pumped faster out of your body. And apply pressure to minimize the bleeding. Even if the wound seems small and manageable, get treatment. These are the best tips for avoiding and surviving shark attacks. Note that if you're up against the Meg or a megalodon, these tips may not work. Luckily, both megalodons and sharks are in short supply. Sharks don't even like the taste of human flesh, and there aren't any condiments in the oceans that could mask our bad taste. So avoid sharks if you can, and use the tips in this video if you are the victim of a rare shark attack. If you do, then you have a very good chance of surviving a shark attack according to science.